Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and today I'm going to be trying out and reviewing the Kristin Ess Rose Gold Temporary Hair Tint. So this product claims to temporarily give you that rose gold color to your hair, but it should wash out in 1 to 3 shampoos. So that is amazing. You can have your fun rose gold color hair for the weekend and then go right back into your normal hair color. So the directions for this product say that you should shampoo and then rinse out your hair in the shower, and then you're gonna apply the product while you're still in the shower. So you're just gonna spray it wherever you want that rose gold color to show up, and then you're gonna leave it on your wet hair for 1 to 2 minutes, and then you can go ahead and rinse it out and style your hair as usual, and you should have that super fun rose gold pink color. I'm really excited to see if this shows up on my hair. As you can see, my normal natural hair color is kind of like a medium brown color, and I do have highlights, so it kind of highlights down into like a sandy blonde color. And this says it is best for pre-lightened or highlighted blonde hair. So I wouldn't say my hair is super blonde by any means, but it is kind of like a medium blonde color. So I'm excited to see if this shows up in my hair, and if it does, I'm gonna have really cool rose gold colored hair for the weekend. So if all goes well and at the end of the tutorial I have that tint that I'm looking for, I want to show you guys a fun way that I would style it and just do a quick tutorial. So in my mind it's going to kind of be like pink fluffy cotton candy pigtail braids. So I'm going to go ahead, jump in the shower and do exactly as the directions state, and hopefully the next time you see me I will have gorgeous rose gold color locks. Alright guys, so we are back. We're back with the rose gold tinted hair. I hope you guys can see it. It looks so pretty. It's very subtle. It definitely is just a tint, but I love the way it turned out. I hope it picks up on camera. It is pretty subtle, but I think that's what you're gonna get from this product. It literally just is a tint over your hair. It's not gonna be like a big saturation of color, but I feel like it turned out exactly how I wanted it to. Alright, so I'm just gonna get into the process a little bit, how I achieved this look with the product. So I literally followed the instructions exactly as it stated. So I went ahead, I took a shower, I shampooed my hair, and I rinsed it out. Then I turned off the shower actually, and I towel dried my hair. So I took out like almost all of the water out of my hair, and then I sprayed it while I was in the shower. Definitely do that because you don't want this to get everywhere, and it will. I was a little worried that it might stain my shower, but it didn't, thank goodness. It just rinsed right off, so that's a really big plus to this product. That'd be terrible if you had a permanent pink bathroom after this experiment. So then once I sprayed it all over the hair, and I actually did spray it from like here down, and it really did actually stick to my ends more than like the middle of my hair, like the mid shaft. So I don't know if that's probably because my ends are like the most blonde, the lightest color in my hair. So that's probably why it kind of stuck to those areas more than others. So I let it sit on my hair for 2 minutes like the directions said, and then I went ahead, hopped back in the shower, rinsed it out, and then I conditioned like I normally would. And this is how it came out. So if you guys like this and it's something that you want to try out, I definitely recommend the product. I think it came out amazing, and I'm so excited to rock this hair this weekend. I am interested in seeing how many washes it does take for this color to fully come out of my hair. So it does say on the bottle about 1 to 3 washes should completely remove the tint. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated on that as well. Alright guys, let's hop into the tutorial. Alright, so the hairstyle that we're going to do today is a pull through pigtail braids. So it's going to make the braids look really full and kind of like fluffy, full cotton candy vibes. So I'm really excited. Alright, so the only thing you guys are going to need for this hairstyle is a bunch of clear elastics. and I'm just gonna go through and kind of explain step by step how we're gonna achieve this style. First thing, you're gonna split your hair in half. So I have my hair parted in the middle and I have it split evenly on both sides. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is just take this front section here, about a 1-inch section in the front, and I'm just gonna tie this with a clear elastic. Okay, so once you have that elastic in, I'm just going to pull the top here just to give it a little more volume. Okay, so you can see we have a little more volume in the front there. And now I'm going to take 2 smaller sections on either side of that elastic. I'm going to join them together over the section that I just tied together before. So I'm just going to go ahead and repeat that again. So I'm going to take a section from either side of the elastic I just tied, and I'm going to join them together on top of that section I just made. Okay, so now that we have these elastics done, you want to do it right about to where you would start to do the pigtail. So I have that done up here. And then I'm going to start with my pull-through braid. So I'm going to separate my section into 2 parts, one on the top and one on the bottom, so a vertical section here. And then I'm going to take the top section, I'm going to separate that into 2 parts, and then I'm going to put it under the bottom section, and I'm going to secure that here with an elastic underneath. Okay, so then you're just going to keep repeating that. So now I'm going to take the top section again here. I'm going to split it in half. Go ahead and pull that under this piece here, and I'm going to attach it with an elastic as well. Alright, so again we take the section on the top. We're going to separate into 2 sections and join them underneath with another elastic. So it looks like I have room for about 1 more, but you can really stop wherever you want to. I'm just going to go down close to my ends here. So again, split the section on top and go ahead and bring it to the back and join that together with an elastic. Okay, so this is what the pull-through braid is looking like so far. So now we get to do the really fun part, which is actually pulling apart the braid to make it look really thick and full. So what I'm gonna do is actually start at the top here. I'm gonna hold where my elastic is, and I'm just going to pull the hair out from underneath and just make it kind of fluff up. I'm gonna do that for every single section. From here you can kind of look at your braid and see where you're at. You can pull it as much as you like. So for me, I just want it to be a little bit more full. So I'm just gonna take it again and just pull apart the sections here. So now as you can see, our braid looks super thick, full, fluffy, and really pretty. So I'm just gonna repeat the same thing on this side and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so once you're done, you have these really fun, voluminous, kind of puffy, playful braids. I think this is a super fun look. Obviously not your everyday look, but fun for going out, a special occasion where you just want to feel fun, different. I think it's a really fun thing to do, and I think that just that little pop of the pink coming through, the rose gold, really adds a special touch to it. It looks really cute, and so I am really happy with this tutorial. I would definitely recommend the Kristin Ess Rose Gold Tint. It really worked out well. I have no complaints about the product at all, so I definitely recommend. And yeah, I hope you guys like this hairstyle. If you guys like this type of video, definitely be sure to let me know by leaving me a thumbs up and a comment. I'd be happy to hear from you guys. So yeah, thanks so much for watching and have a good day, guys.